Hey there, sanity seekers. Let me show you one thing. If you want to have an awesome birthday party for your kid but you can't afford or can't find a face painter, why not try this? Get yourself a split cake or a one stroke and a 1-inch face painting brush. Make your brush damp but not too wet. And here's the important thing. Go up and down with the stripes on your paint. I need more water. Always keep your brush clean in between children. And it's as simple as this. We've got a nice loaded brush. What we want to do is angle, if you can see what I'm doing there, and simply make a rainbow. They'll love it. Can't get a face painter? Try that. Just Google face paint stores in your country. We have quite a few here in Australia, and pick your rainbow and a 1-inch brush. Keep your water clean it in between each child, and you'll be sweet. A little bit of practice on your arm. You'll be fine. Thanks. Here are some gorgeous faces from over the years from some of the gigs that I've done. If you enjoyed or got value out of this video, why not hit the like button? And if you want to see more of what I do, that being alcohol ink or miniatures or acrylic painting, resin, consider hitting the subscribe button. Anyway, thank you for joining me.